G'day guys, Stu here from Cedar Summit. I'm here today with the team from MoTackle Outdoors. We're just going to talk about the Jetball Minimo, one of my favourite stoves from the Jetball range. So it comes in at just over 400 grams. It's a 6000 BTU. It's a 1 litre capacity and it's a regulated stove, which is great for that simmer control. So here's the unit, ready to go. Got a nice lid, gas canister stabilizer, measuring cup and also another drinking vessel, then the main vessel. So just talk you through the burner head. We've got an igniter on the burner head. You can go full capacity for fast boil, but then because it's a regulated system, we've got great simmer control. If you were to add a pot support to the system, then you could also use a fry pan and a larger cook pot. What I also like about the Minimo is this 1 litre capacity, but it's a short cup. Works great if you can cook inside there, and with a long handled spoon such as this, you can eat out of that cook pot as well. Also runs the flux ring technology, which is patented by Jetball. That gives you your fast boil times and your fuel efficiency. So when you use a 100 gram gas canister, you can get 12 1 litre boils because of that flux ring technology. Also, what I like about the Minimo system is that you can store the 230 gram in there quite easily. You then just have to, comes with a small bag, it then has to carry the burner head in a separate bag. It will also store the 100 gram. I'll just quickly remove this from here. Fold in. You can also store the 100 gram quite easily inside there. So that's your Jetball Minimo system. Come in store or check it out online, MoTackle Outdoors.